You do not need to spend $20,000 to buy a reliable car in 2026. You do not need to spend $15,000. The three vehicles on today's list can all be found for under $12,000. Some well under. And every single one of them carries verified reliability. Data that puts vehicles costing twice as much to shame. The catch? Almost nobody is looking at them. And that is exactly why the price is still where it is. Here is the pattern this channel keeps finding in the used car market. The best value is almost never where the attention is. Attention drives demand. Demand drives price. And price is the enemy of value. The three Japanese cars on today's list are cheap for one reason. Not because they are unreliable, not because they are poorly built, but because they either got discontinued, got overlooked, or simply never generated the YouTube search traffic that pushes used prices higher. The data behind all three tells a completely different story than the price tag suggests. If you want more videos like this, hidden value, cars to avoid, and the numbers behind every decision, subscribe. New videos every week. Car 1. Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris is the most underpriced reliable car in the United States right now. Full stop. Toyota discontinued the Yaris in America after the 2020 model year. Same reason as always, declining small car demand as buyers moved toward crossovers. And because the Yaris was never glamorous, never generated excitement, and was never the car anyone bragged about owning, its discontinuation passed almost without notice. Used prices dropped accordingly. And that is where the opportunity lives. RepairPal gives the Toyota Yaris a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, ranking it third out of 21 subcompact cars. The average annual repair cost is $388, one of the lowest figures in the entire database, and $264, below the national average of $650. The probability of any repair being a severe issue is just 10%. Toyota's reliability reputation is well documented across every segment they compete in, and the Yaris distills that reputation into its smallest, cheapest, most accessible form. The 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine in the Yaris is mechanically simple, easy to service, and has a long documented track record of durability. No turbos, no complexity, just a proven engine that mechanics describe as one of the least troublesome units they work on at this price point. Fuel economy sits around 32 combined mpg on the non-hybrid version, practical for daily commuting without any hybrid system complexity to worry about. Here is the used pricing situation. A clean 2018 to 2020 Toyota Yaris can be found for $10,000 to $13,000 in most U.S. markets. That is a 5 to 7-year-old Toyota with near-top reliability scores and $388 in average annual repair costs for the price of a single month's payment on a new vehicle. If your priority is low cost of ownership over everything else, nothing on the used market at this price point comes close. Best years are 2017 through 2020. Get the service records. Check for any deferred maintenance on the cooling system. Otherwise, this is one of the cleanest used car purchases available at this price in 2026. Car 2. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is the most consistently underestimated compact car ever sold in America. While buyers defaulted to the Toyota Corolla and Honda Civic, both excellent cars, the Mazda 3 sat beside them on dealer lots offering a better driving experience, a more refined interior, and comparable reliability at the same price. Most buyers walked past it. Most still do. RepairPal gives the Mazda 3 a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, ranking it 4th out of 36 compact cars. The average annual repair cost is $433, well below the compact car average and significantly below the national average of $652. J.D. Power has consistently rated the Mazda 3 above segment. Average for reliability across multiple model years. The Skyactiv engine and transmission combination that Mazda introduced in the third-generation Mazda 3 from 2014 onward is regarded by mechanics as one of the smoothest, most durable powertrains in the compact segment. Timing chain, not belt. Simple maintenance schedule. Parts that are widely available at reasonable prices. What the Mazda 3 has that the Corolla and Civic do not is a driving experience that feels genuinely premium. The steering is precise and communicative. The cabin is quieter than anything in the class at the same price. The interior materials on the mid and upper trims, soft touch surfaces, clean design, quality switchgear, feel a full segment above what Mazda's pricing would suggest. Car and Driver and Consumer Reports both consistently praised the Mazda 3 as the most driver-focused and interior quality. Car in the compact segment used pricing reflects the same blind spot buyers have always had about this car. A 2018 to 2020 Mazda 3. Sedan or hatchback in mid-trim can be found for $13,000 to $17,000, a vehicle that cost $23,000 to $25,000 new. Same Skyactiv drivetrain, same premium interior, same reliability data. For the buyer who wants the Corolla's dependability but with a more rewarding ownership experience, the Mazda 3 is the answer most people are not looking for. Best years are 2017 through 2021. The hatchback body style offers additional cargo, practicality without sacrificing any of the driving dynamics. Either body style works, pick based on your practical needs. Car 3. Honda HR-V. The first-generation Honda HR-V ran from 2016 through 2021 in the United States before Honda replaced it with a completely redesigned second generation. The first gen gets overlooked now because the second gen exists, and that handoff created a used market opportunity that buyers paying attention are just starting to find. RepairPal gives the Honda HR-V a 4.5 out of 5.0 reliability rating, ranking it second out of 26 subcompact SUVs. The average annual repair cost is $415, well below the national average of $652. The probability of a repair being a severe issue is just 10%. Honda consistently ranks near the top for reliability across all brands, and the first-generation HR-V carries that reputation in a small crossover package. What the HR-V offers that pure sedans cannot is crossover practicality, higher seating position, more cargo flexibility, and Honda's Magic Seat system carried over from the Fit, which allows the rear seats to fold in multiple configurations for maximum cargo versatility. It is not a large SUV, but for a single buyer or a small family that needs occasional cargo flexibility and everyday reliability, the HR-V delivers everything that matters. A clean 2019 or 2020 first-generation Honda HR-V can be found for $16,000 to $20,000. The EX trim adds Honda Sensing Safety Suite, a sunroof, and heated seats, meaningful features at this price point. Given the 4.5 RepairPal rating and $415 annual maintenance cost, the HR-V sits at the top of the small crossover segment for documented reliability per dollar. Stick to 2017 and later for the most resolved version of the vehicle. 3 cars. All Japanese, all cheap, all carrying reliability data that their price tags do not reflect. The Toyota Yaris, $388 annual repair costs, third most reliable subcompact under $13,000 used. The Mazda 3, the best driving compact sedan most buyers never seriously considered, $433 annual costs, available from $13,000. And the Honda HR-V, 4.5 out of 5 on RepairPal, Magic Seat practicality, Honda reliability, from $16,000 used. All 3 are on lots right now. Most buyers will walk past them. That is your advantage. Which one would you buy? Drop it in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe. New videos every week. Thanks for watching.